are here at Boone Street Commons. It's this awesome little park that the neighbors here love, but they don't have a ton of light at night.
We met Baltimore College Town, and it was a group of students who said, we're working on a project to look at lighting in public spaces and looking at how lighting can actually change and activate a space.
The Central Baltimore Partnership partners with College Town on social impact projects, and we work with community and College Town fellows on integrating college students into community projects.
I learned about the Baltimore College Fellowship through one of my professors in the design thinking department, and it's a lot of my interest in public health and public policy.
They all did most of the work in terms of getting the interview, getting the site plan, and so they actually came up with a pre-site survey. Neighbors gave them feedback, and they may have had one idea, but taking the neighbors' input really create what you see behind me now.
So I wanted to learn a lot more about just community action going on around the city so I could have more of a macro perspective. And the course we took in the fall was really awesome because we had guest speakers almost every week from a different organization who talked about something they're working on that's impacting the community and a population in some way here in Baltimore.
I actually got involved with College Town through my advisor who she recommended that I go out and do this. So I'm very happy she did that. With the fellowship, I definitely experienced a lot of new things that I would not have before. I'm not from here, so I haven't not done a lot in Baltimore. And this semester, this project actually came to fruition, and we actually got to implement it.
The first half of the year, we did some research just about lighting in general and what kind of lights are best for communities, for safety, for ambiance, a lot of different things. And we came here today, and we were able to hang up these string lights around the perimeter of the park so that at nighttime it's a safe place to be and to hang out.
I definitely would not be as connected to Baltimore City as what I am now. I'm super glad that I joined this fellowship and actually got to make connections with everyone in my group as well as the other fellows and get to be out here and volunteering in person. I do see myself living in this kind of community in the future, and just the neighbors that we've met have been so nice to each other and so welcoming, and I would love to be a part of something like that. I'm definitely excited to come back here for the barbecues and the movie nights and everything like that.
To take what we learned in class into the real world today and work on a community project has been really awesome.
I think it showed me different leadership and different groups that are going to work within the city I didn't know about.
I would encourage anyone to apply for a fellowship like this. Not only do you get to learn about the different populations in Baltimore and the different things going on, but it's just a good way to learn about fun things around the city because there's a lot to do in Baltimore even during a pandemic.